Hello there, listen to the birds. Amazing. I'm out foraging. Yep, you guessed it. More Paradox Leek onion pearls. If you have a little look in here, look at that. And I'm going to pickle these down, and they go in a little kind of lobster sauce just to add that kind of pop in the mouth and freshen it up. But what I have noticed and I've found, let's get to it here. So this is an elm tree, and on here you get the elm fruit, which also contains the seed as well. If I was to pick this off, these are quite often overlooked by foragers and people in general, but if you look close you can see the seed encased inside, and you can eat them when they're young and tender. So it's the elm tree, when they're young and tender you can eat them, and they taste kind of sweet like peas, a slight nuttiness to them, and they're great in salads or to eat like this as a woodland snack, but also they're good to pickle down as well and serve with cheese. Let's see if I can find some more, but there's just plenty on the floor as well. So if I was to go down here, look, you can see them all. Make sure they're clean, but the wind's blown these ones off, so I'm going to collect a load of these, and some will be eaten raw and some will be pickled to use later on in the year. But elm fruit seeds, or they're known as Samaras or Samaras. Get picking.